Ever had one of those moments running your business where things seem really simple on the surface, but then suddenly you realize it's way more complicated?
Oh, yeah, all the
Like
time.
when you require prepayment on orders?
Yeah.
Sounds easy, right?
Uh-huh.
But then what happens when a customer only pays part of it up front?
Yeah, that's where things can get a little messy.
And that's exactly what we're diving into today.
It is amazing how often it's the little things that can cause huge problems in systems.
And the material you sent over is a perfect example of this.
Mm-hmm.
Sales orders that require 100% prepayment were working perfectly.
Right.
But any orders with partial payments,
Right.
like 20% or 50%, weren't being recognized properly by the system.
Yeah.
They were showing up as open instead of awaiting payment.
Exactly. And that kind of mistake can really impact your whole operation.
Yeah, for sure.
Luckily, there are people out there like Prashant.
Okay.
He's an associate functional consultant at Tiana Solutions,
Yeah.
and he specializes in fixing these kinds of problems in systems. He's seen it all, more than 350 unique situations in his time working with ERP systems.
So basically, he's like an ERP whisperer.
Uh-huh, pretty much.
So in this particular situation, what was actually going wrong?
So imagine you're looking at orders in real time.
Okay.
You see a sales order with a partial deposit term, but the system shows it as fully paid.
Whoa, that's a problem.
And that's exactly what they were dealing with.
Yeah, that sounds like a recipe for disaster.
It's definitely.
You could throw off inventory management, financial reporting,
Oh, yeah, for sure.
all kinds of things.
And the root of the issue was the system just wasn't set up to handle partial deposits correctly.
It's like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole.
Exactly.
How do you even begin to fix something like that?
You'd think they'd have to rip out the whole system and start from scratch.
Right.
But actually, the solution was surprisingly simple.
Okay, now I'm intrigued. Tell me more.
They just added a prepayment checkbox and a percentage setting right in the system configuration.
Oh, so now instead of just yes or no to prepayment, you can say exactly how much is required up front.
Exactly.
So that gives the system the information it needs to show the payment status correctly.
Precisely. And that one small change had a huge positive impact across the board.
Okay.
Now, when someone makes a partial deposit, the system correctly shows the order as a waiting payment.
Okay.
This keeps everyone in the loop and avoids all those confusing mistakes we talked about.
So it's like a tiny upgrade to the system that unlocked a whole new level of clarity.
Exactly. And this brings up a really important point for any business owner, which is understanding your systems and what they can and can't do.
Yeah, that's huge.
We often rely on these systems without really understanding how they work. And then when something breaks down, it's like trying to find your way out of a maze blindfolded.
I think everyone listening has probably felt that way at some point.
Oh, yeah, definitely. And it can get really frustrating.
So how can we avoid those system traps?
Well, first off, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're putting in a new system or even just changing an old one, you really got to understand how it's supposed to work.
Yeah.
Don't just assume that the default settings are going to work perfectly for you.
Yeah, that's great advice. It's like that saying, measure twice, cut once.
Exactly.
But for your business processes.
Taking a little extra time up front to really understand your systems can save you so much trouble down the road.
You know, it's interesting how this whole prepayment issue actually brings up a bigger conversation about understanding and managing your systems.
It really does. It makes you think what other hidden problems might be lurking in our systems that we haven't even thought about.
Oh, that's a scary thought.
It is kind of like realizing there might be a monster under your bed, but you've never actually looked.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it.
But the good news is we don't have to face these monsters alone.
Right.
There are experts out there like Prashant and the team at Tiana Solutions.
Oh.
They specialize in helping businesses figure out these complicated systems.
So if someone's listening to this and thinking, okay, I really need to get a grip on my systems, what's the first step?
Reaching out to a company like Tiana Solutions is a great place to start.
Okay.
They can help you figure out where those problems might be, analyze how you're doing things now, and suggest solutions that fit your needs.
It's all about working smarter, not harder, right?
Absolutely. Finding those ways to be more efficient so you can focus on growing your business.
Exactly.
Sometimes the answer might be as simple as changing a setting, just like in that prepayment example. Other times it might need a more involved approach. But the key is having someone on your side who understands these systems inside and out.
Yeah, and can guide you to the best solution.
Exactly.
Well, for our listeners, this whole deep dive has been a masterclass in the importance of system awareness and optimization.
I couldn't agree more. It's a good reminder that even the most high-tech systems are only as good as the people using them.
So if you're out there struggling with your own business systems and feeling a bit overwhelmed, just remember you're not alone.
There are people who can help.
Speaking of which, Tiana Solutions is just a phone call away.
That's right.
You can reach them at 678-910-2774.
That's 678-910-2774.
Give them a call and see how they can help you streamline your business, and you might even find some hidden potential in the systems you already have.
It's amazing what a fresh set of eyes can do.
It's funny how we started this deep dive talking about a specific prepayment problem,
Yeah.
but it's really opened up a whole new world of things for businesses to think about.
It really has. And I think the biggest takeaway here is that understanding your systems isn't just an IT thing.
Right.
It's a core business strategy.
Absolutely. It's about having the knowledge to make smart decisions,
Yeah.
optimize your processes, and reach your business goals more efficiently.
So to everyone listening out there,
Yeah.
don't underestimate the power of a well-configured system.
Mhm.
It can be the secret weapon that drives your success.
And on that note, we'll wrap up this deep dive. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the limits of what's possible in your business.